Welcome to Lesson 2, Container Gardening. Seedling, which has been waiting to be planted way too long. You see it's starting to turn yellow, stressing, it's root bound in its tiny little pot, and so we're going to set it free, break that root ball so that the roots will grow down and nourish it. And we're going to take it over here. I don't know if you can follow this. And plant it in the center of our little shade pot. It's going to be hanging in the tree. We've watered it and set up that so that it's going to go directly into a nice wet medium. Next plant that we're going to put on a little shade pot so we're hanging the trees are these little begonias, and I like the light for evening and the fact that they have that nice burgundy leaf. And actually this is not as pot bound as the last that we worked at, but we'll loosen it up, take it down to our pot and plant it off to the side directly into our moist potting soil medium. And I think we'll do 2 of those in each of these little pots. Break it. I know it feels mean, but they need to be set free. Take it over here and put it on the other side of our impatiens. Firm it in. Put a little more soil around it after we get our lobelia in there. The lobelia, we actually have this lovely midnight blue. It is called Riviera Midnight Blue, and it's a great shade plant as well. And you can see by these that they are definitely pot bound, needing to be set free again. And in reality, it's better if you can plant these a little sooner than what I have. But again, guilt-free gardening. They're happy, we're happy, everything's good. Slip that into this little wet, moist soil hole. And we're going to put 3 of those in these pots, because they have a trailing effect that is quite lovely. And odd numbers actually are very nice for any designing you're doing. Yeah, I think we're short a little soil, so I'll move that over and stand it up there. We'll take our potting soil mix, add more to it so that there's enough soil on top, and water it gently. Then we get it hung up on its base in the tree. Get a little firming in there so that they have really good contact with the soil. We'll come back and visit them in a week or so, and you'll just be amazed at what the difference is in those little plants. There you have it, our hanging shade pots.